In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of how you can create a video library using LifterLMS. My name's Will Middleton from wpcourseguide.com. Let's dive into it. So LifterLMS by default is encouraging you to create courses that have lessons. You could also create like a membership type setup, but for a basic video library, there's not a whole lot of out-of-the-box support, but you can actually use LifterLMS just for a video library type setup. I've seen this question pop up a few times, and this is how I've seen as like the easiest way to solve it. So you'd pretty much be using courses or memberships, but courses is a little bit easier to understand as a video. So maybe you'd call them videos or something like that instead, and you'd utilize the course catalog as somewhat of a video library. And I have some other videos on how you can customize a course catalog, and you might want to think about how you're going to customize the catalog pertaining to videos specifically. Maybe you could do a featured video and have like a preview right here. So if you were to edit any one of your courses, and I'll just use my, actually let me go back out here and create a video example. Video 1, so that would be like my course, and of course I would clear out all this course information and stuff like that. And you could use like loco translate if you wanted to remove the word course and actually have like video library in there. And of course we're going to remove the syllabus and stuff like that. We're pretty much stripping down a course to like a single page just for the video. Go ahead and remove course progress as well. So if you wanted to have like a featured video, maybe like a preview of your video, that will show up right here in the featured image area on your catalog. But otherwise, it's pretty simple. You just throw in your access plan like you would with a normal course. Something like that. And that's all we need for my access plan. Go ahead and save. Just a one-time payment of $10. And let me actually publish my course real quick so you can see what we're doing. So if I reload over here, we should have my video 1 in the catalog. And of course, I don't have a featured image or any media prepared, but pretty much we have just should just be the pricing box. And of course that might not be displaying as I'm an admin on the website here, but this page is pretty simplistic. It'll just have this pricing box here, this buy now. And of course, if you don't like the layout of this pricing box, you can always recreate something if you have like a button, or even if you're using some sort of custom, like I'm using Cadence blocks on this website, so I have like advanced button and all sorts of features. You really just need to link to this purchase page pretty simply. And of course I don't have it styled up with my theme, but that's really just the end destination is that purchase page. You just want to link somewhere on this video page here. But for your actual videos, let me add one in. So the easiest way is just to put the video right here on the page. So if I insert from a URL, I have a sample video here, maybe insert from a URL, and there we go. So now I have my video also on this page. And of course I could include some explanatory text as to welcome, thanks for buying the video or whatnot. But pretty much we have the video here, and how we can restrict it so that only people who purchase the video can see it would be if you click on your video widget right here, you have this enrollment visibility from LifterLMS. So you can say only display this to enrolled users in this course. Go ahead and update that. So now if I take this as someone who's logged out here, or someone who's not enrolled, they're not going to see the video. They would just see my sales content here, my buy now button, if I were to create a link to that buy now page. And then once they were enrolled, they would go ahead and see my video. So actually here, I don't think I'm enrolled. Yeah, so I'm not enrolled. I don't see the video content. But if I go ahead and enroll myself, and of course I would have enrolled through the buying process. But now that I am enrolled, I can go ahead and see the video. And the same would work for any explanatory context or content you had. Maybe if you had a thanks for buying the video, here's some tips to go along with it or something like that. But using this enrollment visibility feature, you can kind of create a sales page and a video delivery page in one page. So your sales content might be up here at the top, and then your actual video content might be down here at the bottom. But then people could use the LifterLMS system to be buying videos rather than a full course that includes lessons or memberships or anything like that. It's just a pretty simple one video kind of delivery. So yeah, that's kind of the overview on how you can create a video library using LifterLMS. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing more about creating a video library specifically with LifterLMS. I've seen that use case pop up a few times now where you're not looking for a course, you're not looking for a membership, you're looking just for like a video type setup. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a little more in-depth as to creating maybe the whole setup from start to finish with a payment gateway and everything. But yeah, this has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.